Sit down. Sit down.
You let it go because it bit my finger. So which finger did it bite? This little
Get down.
finger on the right. Let's catch some fish, shall we? Okay. I got one. Me too. Oh, that's two. Whoa! I got another one. Great job. That's three. Yay! Got one. Four. Wow. I got another one. Five. Now let's put them back. Five fishies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish on line. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again.
Do not jump, mataga ka.
Because it bit my finger. So which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Look, Toby! The fish are jumping! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
8, 9.
Out in the woods, there was a tree, the prettiest tree that you ever did see. Well, the trees
Norman.
and the holes in the ground, and the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. And on this tree, there was a branch, the prettiest branch that you ever did see. Well, the branch was on the tree, and the tree was in the hole, and the hole was in the ground, and the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around.
Baho.
And on this branch, there was a nest, the prettiest nest that you ever did see. Well, there's a branch and a branch on the tree, and the tree is in a hole, and the hole is in the ground, and the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. And in this nest, there was an egg,
Diri, Raj, yun.
the
Uy!
prettiest egg
Sit down, Diri, oh. Diri, sit down.
see.
Sit down, listen, mommy.
Wow.